In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize slide size in PowerPoint. If you need to change the dimensions of your presentation, PowerPoint makes it fairly simple once you know where to look. Adjusting the slide size can be useful if you're creating content for a widescreen display, printing a presentation, designing for social media, or matching a specific screen or paper format. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can make the change without confusion. To begin, look at the top of the PowerPoint window and click on the Design tab. This is where PowerPoint keeps many of the settings that affect the overall look and layout of your presentation. If you're already editing slides, this step can be easy to miss, so take a moment to make sure you're in the correct tab before moving on. Once you're in the Design section, find the Slide Size option. This is the setting that controls the overall dimensions of every slide in the presentation. Click on Slide Size to open the available choices. Depending on your version of PowerPoint, this may appear toward the right side of the toolbar, so if you don't see it immediately, just scan across the top ribbon carefully. After that, click on Custom Slide Size. This option lets you go beyond the default sizes and choose dimensions that better fit your project. This is especially helpful if the standard presentation size doesn't match the platform, display, or print format you're designing for. When you select Custom Slide Size, a settings window will appear. From there, select the size or configuration you want to use. This is the point where you confirm your preferred slide dimensions. Be sure to choose carefully because changing slide size can affect how content appears on each slide. Text boxes, images, charts, and other elements may shift slightly depending on the new proportions. If prompted, PowerPoint may also ask how you want existing content to be adjusted. In that case, review the options and choose the one that best preserves your layout. And that's it. Once your selection is applied, your presentation will use the new slide size going forward. It's a good idea to quickly review a few slides afterward to make sure everything still looks clean and properly aligned. If anything looks off, you can reposition elements and fine-tune the layout. That's how to customize slide size in PowerPoint. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.